ब्रह्मनाथ ओ ओम शांति शांति शांति. Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter derivative. It is my fifth video of the derivative. Before that, I want to discuss the previous concepts. Now what are the previous concepts? Some of the problems I will do. Suppose what is derivative of? This is previous concept. Previous concept of inverse function. Inverse trigonometric function. Previous concept. If dy by dx is equal to if y is equal to sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, x belongs to -1 to +1, then dy by dx is equal to dash. We know, as you know, solution. So y is equal to what? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, and x belongs to -1 to +1. This is -1 to +1. Suppose -1 to +1. Okay, this is -1 to +1, and this is equal to what? So y is equal to sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. If x lies between -1 to +1, what is its value? Value is pi by 2. So dy by dx is equal to what? Derivative of constant is equal to 0. This is answer. Now another question. This is question number 1 based on previous concepts. Another question. D by dx. If y is equal to sin inverse root x divided by root x plus 1, root x plus 1 plus sec inverse root x plus 1 divided by root x, then dy by dx is equal to, then dy by ds is equal to dash. This is equal to what? Y is equal to solution. Y is equal to sin inverse root x divided by root x plus 1 plus this is sec inverse root x plus 1 by root x. So y is equal to sin inverse root x divided by root x plus 1 plus cos inverse root x by root x plus 1. Since it is sec inverse, so its reciprocal is what? Cos inverse. We know cos inverse x plus sin inverse x. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to what? So pi by 2. So derivative of pi by 2 dy by ds means derivative of the pi by 2 equal to 0. So this is answer. And another question. This is question number 2 and question number 3. And question number 3, if y is equal to sin inverse root over x plus 1 divided by root x plus cos inverse root x plus 1 divided by root x, then dy by dx is equal to dash. This cannot be pi by 2 because here solution. So here root x plus 1 divided by root x, this is greater than 1. So not belongs to -1 to +1. That implies y is equal to sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is not defined. So dy by dx. So dy by dx does not exist. Now another question number 4. D by dx of sec inverse x if x less than -1 is dash. We know d by ds of solution, d by ds of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by mod x root over x square minus 1. If x less than -1, so mod x is equal to what? Minus x. Therefore d by ds of sec inverse x is equal to, that is 1 by minus x into root over x square minus 1. From this question we conclude that d by ds of sec inverse x is equal to, this is equal to 1 by mod x root over x square minus. This can be written as 1 by minus x into root over x square minus 1 if x less than -1, and 1 by x into root over x square minus 1 if x greater than 1. Similarly, d by dx of cosec inverse x is equal to -1 by mod x root over x square minus 1. Here two cases. This is, and this for mod x greater than 1. This is also mod x greater than 1. That means this is equal to what? This is equal to -1 by minus x. So minus cancel, root over x square minus 1 if x less than -1. So minus goes cancel, and -1 by what? X into root over x square minus 1 if x greater than 1. These are two possibility of derivative of sec inverse x and cosec inverse x. Okay. Now we know derivative of sin inverse x, derivative of cos inverse x, derivative of tan inverse x, derivative of cot inverse x, derivative of sec inverse x, and derivative of cosec inverse x in previous lecture. Today I am going to discuss the derivative of inverse trigonometric function using some proper substitution. Like you are write derivative of inverse trigonometric function. Trigonometric function using proper substitution. Okay, this is proper substitution. This is derivative of inverse trigonometric function using proper substitution. Suppose this is in the form of a square minus x square a square minus x square. A square minus x square, suppose in the form of root over a square minus x square. We know, suppose this is 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square term. Okay? 1 minus x square. Which formula? 1 minus something the square in trigonometry. 1 minus sin square theta or 1 minus cos square theta. Here you put x is equal to what? X is equal to sin theta or x is equal to cos theta. Similarly, here a square present, so we have to take a square common. So in case of this, you put x is equal to what? X is equal to a sin theta or x is equal to a cos theta. Similarly, these are two similar, and similarly 3 root over a square plus x square. Suppose here root over 1 plus x square. This is similar. This is put x is equal to what? X is equal to a tan theta or x is equal to a cot theta, and for this put x is equal to tan theta, here a equal to 1, or x is equal to cot theta. X is equal to cot theta. Now 4, this is what? Root over x square minus a square. This is similar to x square minus 1. For this put x is equal to a sec theta or x is equal to a cosec theta. For this put x is equal to sec theta or x is equal to cosec theta. X is equal to cosec theta. Okay? For this cosec theta. Now this is 5 and this is 5 and 4. This is 4. This is 5 and this is 6. These two are similar. These two are similar. These two are similar. Now 7, 2x by 1 plus x square or 2x by 1 minus x square or 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square or 1 plus x square by 1 minus x square. For all, put x is equal to tan theta. It's similar to ax by a square x square to ax by a square minus x square, a square minus x square by a square plus x square, a square plus x square by a square minus x square. For which all, put x is equal to a tan theta. Clear? Put x is equal to here. Put x is equal to a tan theta. Again 9 1 a minus x by a plus x or a plus x by a minus x. Put x is equal to, put x is equal to a tan theta. Now another, okay, these are the substitution. Some of other substitution I will write after omitting this. Okay, 10, this is suppose root over a minus x by a plus x, or root over a plus x by a minus x. Put x is equal to a cos theta or x is equal to a cos 2 theta. Okay, 11. Now 11, suppose 1 plus x present. These are similar. 1 minus x by 1 plus x, or root over here 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Put x is equal to cos theta or x is equal to cos 2 theta. Okay, this is root over, suppose a square plus x square by a square minus x square, or root over a square minus x square by a square plus x square, or is equivalent 13 root over a, this is 1, suppose 1 plus x square by 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square. Okay, and or root over 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. This is put x square is equal to a cos 2 theta, or this is put x square is equal to cos 2 theta. Clear? 14, root over a to the power m plus x to the power n by a to the power m minus x to the power n, or root over a to the power m minus x to the n divided by a to the power n m plus x to the power n, or this is equal to what? Put x to the power m is equal to a to the power, sorry, x to the n is equal to a to the m cos 2 theta, or x to the n equal to a to the power m sin 2 theta. Here, similarly 15 number, what is 15 number here? 15 number root over a to the power m plus x to the n plus root over a to the n minus x to the n whole divided by root over a to the power m plus x to the n minus a to the power m x to the n. Put x to the power n is equal to x to the power n is equal to 14 is what? 14 is equal to 14 number substitution. 14 number substitution. 8 to the m plus x to the n by 8 to the m minus x to the n, or 8 to the m minus x to the n divided by 8 to the m total root over then x to the n equal to 8 to the n cos 2 theta or x to the n equal to 8 to the m sin 2 theta. Similarly, if this is question 14 number x to the n equal to 8 to the n cos 2 theta or x to the n equal to 8 to the m sin 2 theta. Similarly, 15 number if this is 15 number root over 8 to the m plus x to the n plus root over 8 to the m square root of 8 to the m minus x to the n divided by root over 8 to the power m plus x to the n minus root over 8 to the m minus x to the n. Put x is equal to x to the power n is equal to what? X to the n is equal to 8 to the m cos 2 theta or x to the n is equal to 8 to the m sin 2 theta. This is plus or minus, or this is plus, this is minus, and minus, this is plus. Okay, then another substitutions. 16 expression, this is expression and this is substitution. 16 2x square minus 1 I will write down. This is 3x minus 4x cube. This put x is equal to what? X is equal to sin theta. If this is 17, 3a square x minus 4x cube divided by a cube. Put x is equal to a sin theta. Clear? And 17, this is 17, this is 18. 4x cube minus 3x. Put x is equal to what? X is equal to cos theta. And 19, 4x cube minus 3a square x by a cube. Put x is equal to a cos theta. Clear? And another, then 19 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. Put x is equal to tan theta. 20 this is equal to what? This is equal to 3a square x minus x cube divided by a cube minus 3ax square. Put x is equal to a tan theta. Here, suppose you are this given 2x square minus 1 given, then put x is equal to what? Cos theta. Some important transformation formula, some important transformation formula. Some important trigonometric transformation. Some important trigonometric transformation. This is very important to solve the derivative of inverse trigonometry, to solve or to find the derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. Now suppose you are given what is sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta formula, sin 2 theta, this is equal to 2 sin theta into, this is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta, or cos 2 theta is equal to what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta, or this is equal to sin 2 theta is equal to tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. This is highly essential formula, and this is equal to what? 2 cos square theta minus 1, and also 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and this is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And what is tan 2 theta? Tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Some other formulas. Suppose this is 4 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta is equal to tan pi by 4 minus theta. 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. This is equal to what? Tan pi by 4 plus theta. Okay. 6 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. 7 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. 8 root over 1 minus cos 2 theta required, not required right here. Suppose 1 minus sin 2 theta, this is equal to what? Cos theta minus sin theta whole square, and 9 1 plus sin 2 theta is equal to what? Cos theta minus sin theta plus sin theta whole square. Okay. And this is 9, and this is another formula. Formula number 10. Formula number 10. 1 minus sin theta, sin 2 theta, suppose 1 minus, here this is 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta. This is equal to tan theta. Suppose this is 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. This is equal to tan theta by 2. And 12 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by sin, suppose this is cos 2 theta, this is sin 2 theta, this is equal to cot theta. And 13 is 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta is equal to cot theta by 2. Also the formula, this is 13 and 15 number cos theta, that is 13, 14 number cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. This is also 10 pi by 4 minus theta. 15 cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. This is equal to 10 pi by 4 plus theta. These are some transformation formula of the trigonometric function. We know inverse trigonometric formula, inverse trigonometric function formula. Okay, now let's do some problems. Find dy by dx if y is equal to sin inverse 2x into root over 1 minus x square. What will be substitution? Only blindly you cannot remember this. You have to know the trigonometric formula. Let's see what will be the x. This will be the trigonometric function. Here we know 1 minus sin square theta formula, root over 1 minus sin square theta formula, that is cos theta, or 1 minus cos square theta root over, that is sin theta. So by knowing the trigonometric formula, this substitution is possible. Without knowing the trigonometric formula, you cannot get the clue of the substitution. If you know all the trigonometric function, then you can apply the substitution. If here put x is equal to that's the solution y is equal to sin inverse 2x into root over 1 minus x square. Put x is equal to suppose sin theta, or theta is equal to what? Sin inverse x. This is theta. Okay, and now y equal to what? Y is equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta into root over 1 minus sin square theta. So this is equal to what? Y is equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta into this is cos theta. So 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to what? Sin 2 theta. So sin inverse sin 2 theta. We know from inverse trigonometric function sin inverse of sin x is equal to x. So here that implies y is equal to 2 theta. But theta is equal to what? Sin inverse x. So this is equal to 2 sin inverse x. That implies dy by dx is equal to 2 constant d by ds of sin inverse x. So 2 into what is derivative of sin inverse x? 1 by root over 1 minus x square. So final answer is 2 by root over 1 minus x square. These are the process. This is the process to find the derivative using proper substitution. Okay. Now another question. Find dy by dx. Okay. Another question. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if y is equal to what? Y is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Solution y is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. What is formula? 2 times of the function divided by 1 plus some trigonometric function square. Which formula? 2 tan theta by, we know this formula is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. The formula, this is formula for what? Which function? This is sin 2 theta. So without knowing the trigonometric function, we cannot substitute. Okay. So what will be the value of what is the substitution of x? Here x is equal to, we have to substitute x is equal to tan theta. Okay, so put x is equal to tan theta, or theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x. Okay, now y is equal to what? Sin inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This is equal to what? Y is equal to sin inverse sin 2 theta. This is formula for sin 2 theta. So which is equal to 2 theta. Now y is equal to 2 into theta means what? Tan inverse x. So dy by ds is equal to two constant d by ds of tan inverse x. So 2 into 1 by derivative of tan inverse x what? 1 by 1 plus x square. So answer is what? 2 by 1 plus x square. This is answer. And another question, y equal to tan inverse x by a plus root over a square minus a square. It is in the form of a square minus a square. What is the substitution? Put x is equal to a sin theta. So a square come on, this is 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta root over means cos theta. Okay, so y is equal to here solution, y is equal to tan inverse x by a plus root over a square minus x square. So put x is equal to what? A sin theta, or sin theta is equal to what? X by a, or theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. This is required. And y is equal to what? Tan inverse a sin theta divided by a plus what? This is equal to root over a square minus a square sin square theta. So this is equal to, that implies y is equal to tan inverse a sin theta divided by a plus root over a square into 1 minus sin square theta. So which is equal to what? Which is equal to tan inverse a sin theta divided by, this is a and come outside a square, this is will be a into root over 1 minus sin square theta means cos theta. Okay, so this is what? This is equal to, y is equal to tan inverse a sin theta divided by a into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so a cancel. This is equal to what? Tan inverse sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. We know sin theta is equal to what? We know sin theta is equal to we know sin theta is equal to we know so y is equal to what? Y is equal to this is y is equal to tan inverse, this is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. What is formula for 1 plus cos theta? 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 cancel, 1 cos theta cancel. This is tan inverse sin theta by cos theta by 2. That is for tan theta by 2. So that is y is equal to what? Y is equal to tan inverse tan theta by 2 means theta by 2 means 1 by 2 theta. Theta means what? That is equal to 1 by 2. Theta means sin inverse x by a. Now dy by ds is equal to, now dy by ds is equal to what? Dy by ds is equal to dy by dx. Dy by ds have constant, so write first, and d by ds of sin inverse x by a. Apply chain rule. 1 by 2 into root over 1 minus x by a whole square into d by dx of x by a. So which is equal to what? 1 by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by root over 1 minus x square by a square into derivative of x by a means 1 by a constant, derivative of x 1. So this is equal to what? After simplify, this is 1 by 2 and 1 root over a square minus x square by a square into 1 by a. So what is its answer? This is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root over a square minus x square by a into 1 by a. This goes cancel. This is 1 by 2 root over a square minus x square. Answer is 1 by 2 into root over a square minus x square. Okay. Now another question. Now another question. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Okay, this is, we know 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta formula. Okay, that is cos 2 theta. So solution, y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So here put x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. So tan theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x. Okay. So y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is equal to what? Cos inverse cos 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 theta. Theta means what? Theta means tan inverse x. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into d by ds of tan inverse x. This is equal to 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. This is your answer. That is 2 by 2 into 2 by 1 plus x square is your answer. Now another question. Find dy by dx if, another question, find dy by dx if cos inverse, suppose this is 2n and this is 2n, x to 2n. Here y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x to 2n by 1 plus x to 2n. Okay, so this can be written as cos inverse 1 minus x to the power n whole square divided by 1 plus x to the power whole square. So put x to the power n is equal to tan theta. X to the n equal to tan theta, or theta is equal to tan inverse x to the power n. So y is equal to, here y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So y is equal to what? Cos inverse cos 2 theta. So this is equal to y is equal to 2 theta. Theta means what? 2 into tan inverse x to the power n. Now dy by dx. dy by ds is equal to 2 constant d by ds of tan inverse x to n. This is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power n whole square into derivative of x to n, means n into x to n minus 1. So the final answer is what? So final answer is 2n x to the power n minus 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power 2n. This is final. Another question. If y equal to n plus 2x plus 1 divided by 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4 to the x. This is y is equal to what? Tan inverse 2 to the x plus 1, means we can write 2 to the x into 2 or 2 into 2 to the x by, this can be written as 1 minus 2 to 2 square x, or this is equal to what? So that is implies y is equal to tan inverse 2 to the power 2x by 1 minus 2 to the x whole square. Put 2 to the x is equal to tan theta, because this is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, which is formula for tan 2 theta. So y is equal to what? Tan inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So this is equal to tan inverse tan 2 theta, which is equal to 2 into theta. So 2 into theta means what? This is equal to 2 into theta. Theta means here theta is equal to, that implies theta is equal to tan inverse 2 to the x. This is theta. So 2 into tan inverse 2 to the power x. Now dy by, this is y, and dy by ds is equal to, dy by ds is equal to constant d by ds of what? Tan inverse 2 to the x. This is equal to 2 into, what is derivative of this? Consider x. So derivative of tan inverse x means 1 by 1 plus 2x power square into derivative of 2 to the x, means 2 to the x into log 2. So final answer is, what? Final answer is, okay, final answer is what? 2 into 2 to the x plus 1 log 2 divided by 1 plus 2 to the power x, means 4 to the power x. This is final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next video we will do some problems from Elements book, NCERT book, and that is from test book. Thank you.